This trimmer started giving problems after about 5 years. It wouldn't cut, its blade would get stuck, and it would rattle loudly and run hotter than before. So I took it apart. And this is how a trimmer works. AC power would turn this coil of wires into an electromagnet. And because AC is 50 Hz alternating current, the polarity of the magnet would swap 100 times per second from north to south. The rotor unit here contains a permanent magnet that is alternately attracted, then repelled, then attracted again by the changing polarity of the stator electromagnet. It moves from side to side, which moves the top blade of the trimmer side to side also, therefore giving you a cutting action. Over the years, the plastic standoffs that keep the stator in place had broken, causing the motor to slide forward and catch the rotor. The rotor gets stuck, the blade doesn't move, and the trimmer doesn't cut. The repair involved rebuilding the broken plastic standoffs with some epoxy putty and rebuilding the screw mounting holes which had been stripped. After the fix, the trimmer is once again smooth and silent like brand new, and it cuts through fur and hair like a hot knife through butter.